Well, since I'm in the world of food and agriculture, and just a little word about artificial intelligence, and to me artificial intelligence is like cooking. And it starts with ingredients, and that's your data. You need to have good ingredients. If you don't have good ingredients, your dish is not going to be good. So be very, very, very critical and discerning where you buy your data. Because if you don't have the right data, then a lot of bad things are going to happen. And it's not that simple, because let's face it, we are overwhelmed with all sorts of information, with data of all sorts, from all different kinds of sources. Many of them biased, many of them actually support a certain approach, and you have to be very careful. Then the second thing is you need to have a good recipe, and that's your algorithm. And we've seen with Google and having the founding fathers of different races, which just has nothing to do with the historic reality, and it's brought Google into problems and still haven't solved the problem. Well, you need to have that good recipe. If you don't have a good recipe, but you have even good ingredients, nothing good's going to come out of it. And the thing is, you need to have good cooks. And that's where I say that we need to make sure that we train people properly to use artificial intelligence, but also to look at it in a critical manner, because if the cook is no good, then it's not going to be good. The dish is not going to be, they're going to serve is not going to be good at all. So, good ingredients, good recipe, good cook. If you don't have those three, don't even venture in there, because you're going to make a fool of yourself.
If you're interested in my videos, please click on the subscribe button, or you can also visit my website.